In this story, there's an iguana, a lizard, a python, a salamander, and a tortoise. They are a family that wants to move and live in a new house. The iguana and the lizard are the parents, and the python, the salamander, and the tortoise are the kids. The tortoise is the oldest, the salamander is the middle kid, and the python is the youngest. The tortoise is very outgoing. He loves to eat tomatoes and tortillas. He loves to eat tomatoes and tortillas because he thinks they taste really good, and each of his brothers, the python and the salamander, need to eat them because they are so delicious. The salamander is the middle kid. He is very patient and persistent. He loves to eat tuna and turkey. He loves to eat tuna and turkey because they are very good for you. The third kid, the youngest, is the python. He is pessimistic and thinks only bad things will happen. It is not fun talking to him because he thinks he needs to tell you that only bad things will happen. That is why people think he is pessimistic. He only likes vanilla cake. That is the only food he will eat. His brother, the salamander, tries to share his tuna and turkey with him, but he only wants vanilla cake. Before they move to a new house, they all think they need to see a doctor because each kid has a problem with a body part. The tortoise, who is outgoing, has a problem with his elbow. He hurt it when he was playing in the yard. He hopes the doctor can help him with his elbow because it hurts a lot. The salamander, who is patient and persistent, has a problem with his eye. He can't see, and he hopes that the doctor can help him with his eye so he can see, because he needs to be able to see. The python, who is pessimistic, has a problem with his elbow. He needs to measure how long one eyebrow is and see if the other eyebrow is the same size. The lizard, who is the mom, has a problem with her eyelashes. They are too long, and she wants to cut her eyelashes so they look good. The iguana, who is the dad, has a problem with his eyelid. One eyelid is really big, and he thinks he has a problem, and he will need a surgeon to fix his eyelid. The last thing the family wants to do before the move is put all their tools in the new garage so they are ready to work in the garage. They have a pitchfork that is very big. They have rope that is very strong. They have a razor that will help them cut the very strong rope. All of the animals, the iguana, the python, the salamander, and the tortoise all have safety glasses. They have 5 shovels to use in the garden. The pitchfork and the rope used to be in the house of the grandpa of the iguana, but he died, and now the iguana has the pitchfork and the rope. The razor is very nice to have because it cuts the rope. The safety goggles are very important because it covers the eyes. The shovel is important when they have to work in the garden.